Team BJP in place for 2014 with Narendra Modi now the first amongst equals. Congress Team Rahul also taking shape. But the big question, is either national party battle ready? Why does neither party want early elections? Will the general elections now be fought on governance, not personalities? Yet performing chief ministers like Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Sheila Dikshit not projected nationally. And is the real issue now about managing allies? The countdown has well and truly begun. And this Thursday, Rahul Gandhi to speak at a CII summit for the first time. The BJP retorts they're glad if anyone is learning from Narendra Modi.
Welfare plans and with the promise of delivering on the National Food Security Bill, the Congress has at least got an election war cry ready. Aapka paisa, aapka haath.
Over the last 3 years, the BJP has been trying to construct a poll issue. Aapka paisa Congress ki jeb mein. But corruption as a game changer has failed. So right now the plot is not ready, but the RSS has declared that for Blockbuster 2014, it's going to be Narendra Modi.
For the Congress, it's Rahul Gandhi, but not many know his views on national and important issues. And after the Jaipur brainstorming session, the Congress has failed to deliver, in particular Rahul Gandhi, on organizational reshuffles.
For Narendra Modi, the RSS has ensured that there are no organizational problems. But then there are more hurdles. The RSS has to ensure that Narendra Modi gets more acceptable to all the other prime ministerial aspirants in the BJP, to the factions within, and even to the allies in the NDA, especially one Nitish Kumar.
Snapshots of Rahul Gandhi's politics so far. But on Thursday, the newly appointed vice president will be in a different setting, speaking at the CII for the first time, prompting many to ask, is the Congress trying to repackage brand Rahul ahead of the 2014 polls? Is the Congress trying to bring brand Rahul to counter brand Modi, who's been a darling of India Inc.?
He has got concern for the poor people, tribal people, the scheduled caste people, and also the agriculturists. And on the other side, he has got his own vision on development in this country, industrial development. Therefore, you cannot just confine Rahul ji with only the one section of the societies in this country.
हमारे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है कि श्री नरेंद्र मोदी इस देश में डेवलपमेंट के और गुड गवर्नेंस के एक बहुत बड़े आइकॉन बन गए हैं.
After Rahul Gandhi's rallying cry, an impatient young India wants change at Jaipur, little has been done to connect with voters. Post Rahul, there's been no big change in the party's top bodies, the CWC and AICC, to bring in a younger generation. In key states like Bihar, the Congress has only just appointed a new state chief, 2 years after its poll debacle, but it's also changed its Punjab chief. The Congress wants to go back to the electorate with something concrete in hand. The subsidy cash handout scheme covers only a tiny number of constituencies so far. Other schemes like the Food Security Bill face an increasingly hostile parliament. A morale-boosting win in Karnataka in May could kickstart the next phase of preparing for battle. To be sure, the Congress holds regular meetings at its war room. Rahul Gandhi is reportedly putting a system in place to select candidates for the general elections, taking feedback right from the block level. But the main opposition BJP is not raising the spectre of elections yet. The timing may look right with the DMK walking out and the Samajwadi Party threatening to follow, but the BJP is not ready. Its corruption plank was hit when Nitin Gadkari, facing charges, had to quit, and with him went the RSS's plans. Rajnath Singh, the new president, took over 2 months to create a team. Factional wars have forced Modi's partial anointment as the face of its next national campaign, and Advani has been backing Sushma, not Modi. The certainty of a loss in Karnataka means a delay in the BJP's readiness. The JDU is not ready to go with Modi, so the BJP is not ready to disturb the NDA before the polls.
Unfortunately, BJP at the national level, they don't have any leader to be projected. Therefore, they are trying to bring Narendra Modi from Gujarat.
जो 2013 या 2014 के आम चुनाव होंगे वो कुशासन बनाम सुशासन होंगे.
Since his appointment as Vice President, Rahul Gandhi has been regularly meeting his party colleagues, Congress chief ministers and members of parliament. But critics point out that the Congress leader still remains insulated and rarely speaks in public on important issues like state of the economy or governance. So will all this change after Rahul Gandhi addresses the CII summit? In New Delhi, with camera person Jagdish Prasad, Sandeep Phukan for NDTV.
Well, joining me now, my special panel, Abhishek Singhvi, Prakash Javadekar, Yogendra Yadav, Sadanand Dhume and Sunil Alag. Abhishek Singhvi, across to you first. Rahul Gandhi reaching out to corporate India, speaking on Thursday at CII. Many have talked about this being repackaged, the Congress on the back foot after the Modi blitz.
I find it strange that on a day when Mr. Modi has been appointed to the parliamentary board and you're discussing that, you immediately start jumping to comparisons with Rahul Gandhi. I don't think it really is contextual at all. But yes, since you have raised it, although I think it's unconnected, Rahul Gandhi has been there on the national scene, and of course the BJP will never agree that he's been successful, but that's not the issue. He has been there much before Mr. Narendra Modi. For whatever reason, Mr. Narendra Modi has made a move from completely a Gujarat-centric, state-centric role to the centre hardly a few weeks ago or a few months ago, and therefore I think there is no need to start comparing them. No. Yes, ultimately in our system, prime ministers and leaders do have to come from the coalition or the party which gets the majority, and therefore I think this kind of a presidential debate between the two of them is really a case of the media hype and media trying to create an equation, especially on a day of his appointment, where the equation doesn't exist.